Not sure what to say at the hospital in English? Don't worry. Listen to this real conversation. If you want to speak English with confidence, you're in the right place. Welcome to Fun English Friends. In this video, you'll practice real-life English conversation, improve your listening and speaking, and learn useful vocabulary and phrases you can use every day. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice the phrases out loud. Ready? Let's start.
Emma? Hey, are you okay?
Oh, Tom, I'm so glad you're here.
You look worried. What happened?
I don't feel well. I have a headache and a fever.
Oh no. Since when?
Since last night, I couldn't sleep.
Did you take any medicine?
Yes, I took some, but I still feel bad.
It's good you came to the hospital.
Yeah, but I feel a little scared.
Don't worry, I'm here with you.
There are so many people here.
Yes, hospitals are always busy.
I don't like hospitals.
Me neither, but doctors will help you feel better.
I hope so.
Did you register already?
Yes, I did. I'm waiting for my name.
Emma?
Yes, that's me.
I'll go with you.
Thank you, Tom.
Hello, Emma. How can I help you?
Hello, doctor. I have a headache and a fever.
I see. Do you have a cough?
No, I don't.
Do you feel tired?
Yes, very tired.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
Your temperature is quite high.
Oh, is it serious?
Don't worry. It's probably just a viral infection.
Oh, that's a relief.
Will she be okay?
Yes, she just needs rest and medicine. Emma, you should drink a lot of water.
Okay.
Take this medicine twice a day.
Got it.
And please get enough sleep.
I will.
If you don't feel better in 3 days, come back again.
Thank you, doctor.
See? That wasn't so bad.
Yeah, I feel better now.
Let's get your medicine.
Okay. Excuse me, where can I get my medicine?
Right here. Can I see your prescription?
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait a moment. Here is your medicine.
Thank you.
This first one is for your fever. Take it twice a day after meals.
Okay.
This one is for your headache. You can take it when you feel pain.
I see.
Please drink a lot of water and get enough rest.
All right.
If you feel worse, please come back to the hospital.
Okay, I will.
Take care and get well soon.
Thank you so much.
How do you feel now?
I feel a little better and less scared.
Good. I told you everything would be okay.
Thank you for staying with me.
Of course. That's what friends are for.
Let's go home. I need some rest.
I'll walk you home.
Thanks, Tom. You're the best.
Anytime, Emma.
Now you will learn some new vocabulary and useful phrases for daily life. These words are very common and useful. You can use them when you speak English every day. Let's get started.
Fever, meaning high body temperature. Example, I have a fever. Headache, meaning pain in your head. Example, I have a headache. Cough, meaning when you push air out of your throat. Example, I have a cough and a sore throat. Waiting room, meaning a place to wait before seeing the doctor. Example, I sit in the waiting room. Viral infection, meaning an illness caused by a virus like flu or cold. The doctor said I have a viral infection. Prescription, meaning a paper from the doctor to get medicine. I gave my prescription to the pharmacist. Get well soon, meaning hope you feel better. Example, get well soon, Emma.
Nice work. Practice these conversations again to improve your English. Before you go, I have a question for you. Question number 1. Why did Emma go to the hospital? Question number 2. What did the doctor say about Emma's condition? Question number 3. What advice did the doctor give to Emma? What is your answer? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more English practice. See you in the next English lesson. Bye-bye.